Welcome to the Charles and Gloria Jones Library tutorials. This tutorial will show you how to perform keyword searches using the database SocINDEX. SocINDEX is a database with an extensive scope and content providing users with a wealth of useful information encompassing the broad spectrum of sociological study. Let's begin from the library's homepage and choose Articles and Databases from the Find menu on the left-hand side of the page. Choose the letter S from the hyperlinked alphabet. Scroll down and choose SocINDEX Full Text. Just like the other EBSCO-based databases, SocINDEX offers 3 search bars. Using keywords is the simplest and most efficient way to research. Think about a topic you are interested in. Maybe it is something to do with adolescence and sweatshop conditions. Now think of any synonyms, antonyms, or related terms. For this example, we will search adolescence. Notice the database gives us related terms. For now, let's stick with the keywords we have previously chosen. In the second box, we will type in sweatshop conditions and click Search. Scroll down and take a look at some of the titles. If there are titles that do not seem relevant, or there simply are not enough resources, scroll back to the top and use some of the related terms. To do this, click on the top search bar next to the word adolescence. Now let's choose from the suggested keywords. Click on adolescents, or teenagers, or juveniles, or young people, or youth. Now, click Search. Next, you can use the left-hand toolbar to limit results by type, date range, subject term, and more. For this example, let's limit to full-text academic journal articles. Now, let's limit the subjects to age and employment and social justice. Once the results list is down to a workable number, browse the list and save those materials to read later, using the blue folder to the right of each record. By clicking the blue folders, the materials are saved to a master folder that you can then email to yourself. Just scroll to the top of the page and choose the full yellow folder from the top toolbar. Select the articles by clicking the box, and click on the email icon to the right of the list. You can indicate the citation format you wish to be included on the right-hand toolbar before clicking Send. Remember, as a current student or employee, you can access these databases 24/7 from anywhere using your LBC credentials. If you need more help navigating this database or researching a specific topic, please contact the library staff via email at circdesk@lbc.edu or by telephone. This concludes the tutorial on how to perform keyword searches using the database SocINDEX.